today's video, we're going to be setting up this guy right here. Now, to set this up, it's pretty simple and pretty fast. The very first thing is charge it up. But before we do that and fully charge it before first use, there's this that came with it. Now, this is something that you may want to use right away, you may not. So this right here, you just have to take it out and then put it in here, okay? And that's for mosquitoes. So if you put that in there and then just put it back in there, that's gonna attract more mosquitoes into here. Now at this point in time, I'm not gonna put this in there. You do have to change it every 14 days. And the only reason I'm not gonna put it in there is because I'm not gonna use it for mosquitoes at this point in time. I'm gonna use it for something else. However, if it's for mosquitoes that you bought this, then do it right away. So like I mentioned, you do have to plug it in and fully charge it. So you guys did get this with it. It's very important that you're using the right one. Don't use anything else. So if you guys lost this, get something that's the same voltage, because you do not want something different, because that can harm your actual product. So here it is. We're gonna see on the top, there's gonna be that. Just plug this in right here. Okay, once it's plugged in, just plug this into a wall outlet. Make sure this is turned off. How do you know this is turned off? Well, in the middle, you will see that circle. That means it's off. And there's two modes to this. There's this mode, and then you guys can turn it on to this other mode. Okay, so I shouldn't turn it on right now because you're not supposed to until it's fully charged. But for this video, I'm just gonna show you. This mode right here, that's gonna attract mosquitoes. That's that type of light, okay? That's gonna sap them, that's turned on. Now this mode with the two lines, that's just an LED. That's all. The zapper is not working at this point in time. So if you want this to work, the light bulb zapper to work, just turn it on to here. And that's it. But before we do that, make sure to fully charge it. So this guy should be able to cover just around 2,500 square feet. That's about 50 by 50 feet. So that's the space that it covers, 15 meters by 50 meters. That would be around it. Anyways, once you plug it in and it's charging, you should see this red light. So make sure you see a red light on the side. That means it's hooked up and charging. Another important note is that this should always be turned off when it's charging. So once again, this light right here from red will turn to this color once it's fully charged. Anyways, that's the quick guide into getting started with this. Make sure to fully charge it and then use it. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.